In today's video, I am going to teach you how to study a book in Notebooklm. Start by opening Notebooklm in your browser. Once you are on the main screen, look for the option that says plus create new, then click it. This is how you begin a fresh notebook for the book you want to study. It helps to name your notebook in a way that clearly matches the book title, so you can find it quickly later, especially if you plan to study multiple books. After you click Create New, a pop-up window will appear. This is where you add your study materials, also called sources. You can upload a PDF version of the book, paste a URL if the text is online, or connect a file from Google Drive. Choose the option that matches where your book is stored, then add the file or link. If your book is long, make sure you are using a clear, readable PDF. A clean scan improves the quality of answers because the tool can reference the text more accurately. Once your sources are added, take a moment to look to the right sidebar. You will see Studio. This area is where Notebooklm offers extra ways to review what you uploaded, like an audio overview or a video overview. Think of Studio as a built-in study assistant that can help you summarize and revisit the content in different formats. If you learn best by listening, the audio option can be especially useful while you are taking notes. Now move your attention to the chat box at the bottom. This is where you actively study the book by asking specific questions. Instead of broad prompts, focus on clear, targeted questions tied to what you want to learn. For example, ask for key themes in a chapter, a plain language explanation of a difficult concept, or a comparison between two ideas presented in the text. The more specific your question is, the more focused and useful the response will be. When Notebooklm gives you a response that you want to keep, click the Save to Note icon on that response. This pins it to your board, so your most important insights stay organized in one place. Save definitions, summaries, or explanations you want to review later, and you will build a study set as you go. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.